Hi.
Hello, hey Das. Do you know about the coronavirus?
Of course I do. But why don't you tell our friends here more about it?
Well, friends, it is a virus responsible for the disease known as COVID. Its official name is SARS-CoV-2. It's a new strain of a virus that existed a long time back known as SARS-CoV-1.
Let us also tell you the precautions to be taken when you come back to school, just like us. When traveling from home to school. When we depart from home, we should do so by wearing face masks. Keep in mind, the mask should cover our nose, mouth and chin. We should never touch our mask or our face with our hands as it will lead to infections. We should always use our elbows for opening doors or for moving objects as we never touch our face with our elbows. We must maintain a distance of 6 feet as part of social distancing if we are traveling in the school bus.
Exit from vehicle. The school entrance should have mandatory hand hygiene and thermal screening provisions. If feasible, multiple gates must be used for entry and exit to prevent overcrowding. So, once we reach the school and exit our vehicle, we should wash our hands properly with soap and water at the entrance itself. The school management must ensure proper screening of all the students, staff and teachers as well at the school entrance itself. Daily screening is a must to prevent the spread of the disease inside the campus.
Responsibilities of the school management.
The school management should make sure that student gatherings should not take place, like assemblies, sports or other events that will lead to overcrowding should be strictly prohibited. Swimming pools should remain closed. Classrooms and school premises should be cleaned and sanitized frequently. Laboratory equipment should be disinfected after each use. Also, children using this equipment should wash their hands before and after usage. The computers in the computer lab should be disinfected with 70% alcohol. The activities in the library should be conducted by keeping a social distance of 6 meters. Frequent hand washing for 60 seconds in between classes should be followed.
The return journey and what has to be done once home.
After the school concludes, it is an ideal way to display different classes at different timing so that we can avoid a little crowding. And the first thing to be done when you get home is proper hand washing and a good body wash. And the most important thing is that the parents should ensure that children changes their masks daily.
What about children with underlying health conditions?
Those with underlying conditions such as asthma, obesity, diabetes and cancer are at a higher risk of developing huge severe disease and death than more people without these health conditions. This applies to both students, teachers and other staffs too. Children should avoid patting their peers and should abstain from giving handshakes. During lunch, they should avoid sharing lunch with others.
Be a leader in keeping yourself, your school, family, community healthy. We friends should continue to follow these precautions until an effective vaccine is found for the coronavirus or until the virus becomes non-existent.
We should wear a mask, maintain social distance and above all, stay safe.
A very good time to all. Every day, COVID-19 seems to reach a new tragic milestone. Every loss of life is a tragedy. It's also a motivation to double down and do everything we can to stop transmission and save lives. And yes, we the students of 11th, 10th and 9th graders of Commerce School as part of the campaign Public Health Response to COVID-19 Appropriate Behaviour has taken up this initiative to spread the awareness of this deadly disease. So far, we had uploaded 5 videos, which started with a presentation by 10th graders, which included where the chain of corona began and so on, and with the informative posters of 11th graders and the precautions needed to be taken during this pandemic time by 9th graders. We hope that you enjoyed those videos and found them informative and helpful. And yes, we can't forget your support. A very big thanks to those who encouraged us through your comments and likes. We would also like to say a very big thank you to all the teachers who gave us this great opportunity to be part of this social program. Thank you.